Hello developer, today I will teach you how to add uh, cash on delivery in the Shopify as well as in this contact form data how to get. Okay, let's get started. This is my backend. First of all, I will open the setting. Uh, I will put my email ID. I'm already put it. Also, you can add your mobile number. And then I will jump onto the COD. So yeah, manual payment. So this is will be the COD. So I will write here this additional details for payment method. Okay, then yeah, it is already added. So I am already put in my email ID and COD. Let's filling out this form. Yes, it is submitted. Then this is my form data. This was my COD.